Meaning of extinguisher.
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 Extinguisher. An extinguisher is a device used to put out fires. It typically contains a substance that can control or smother a fire by removing one or more elements of the fire triangle, which consists of fuel, heat, and oxygen. Extinguishers come in different types, such as water, foam, powder, and CO2, and are designed for use on specific types of fires. Using an extinguisher can result in the successful suppression of a fire, preventing it from spreading and causing further damage or injury. In some cases, using an extinguisher may even help save lives by allowing people to escape a burning building or area. It is important to know how to properly use an extinguisher and to have one readily available in case of emergencies.